Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change VW Golf brake pads. Begin by securing the car on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and chock the rear wheels. Loosen the front lug nut slightly, then lift the car with a jack and place it on jack stands. Remove the wheel to expose the brake caliper, and keep hardware organized so you can reassemble parts in the correct order. First, compress the caliper pistons slowly to create space for the new pads, using a C-clamp or proper piston tool, and protect the piston with a rag. Then unbolt the caliper guide pins and gently pull the caliper away, hanging it on the suspension with a bungee or hook so the brake hose stays unstressed. Remove the old pads, inspect the rotor surface, and clean mounting slides before preparing to install new hardware. Install the new brake pads by first applying a thin layer of high-temperature brake lubricant to the backing plate contact points and slides. Position the pads in the caliper bracket, then carefully reposition the caliper and tighten guide pin bolts to the manufacturer-recommended torque. Reinstall the wheel, lower the car, and torque lug nuts. Before driving, pump the brake pedal to seat the pads and confirm firm pedal feel and no leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.